How to edit PDF for free. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, as we all know, you cannot edit a PDF file, but you can easily convert it to Word document and then edit it. So, for that, head over to your browser and then go to this website called ilovepdf.com and then tap on PDF to Word. Now you'll need to select the PDF file. Your file explorer will open up. Just tap on it and hit open. You need to tap on convert to Word and then download the Word file. So now your PDF has been converted to an editable Word file. Just tap on it and then your Word file will open up and then you can easily edit it. Just tap on enable editing and work on it. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.